It's important to build good money habits to prevent overspending. This can easily happen when the economy suddenly changes or something in your budget goes the wrong way. Without a workable plan, you may find yourself in trouble, which could turn into a slippery slope of continuous problems. The best way to begin living within your means is by analyzing how you're spending your money so you can see what you need to change. Although it may be fun to splurge every now and then on the things you really love, doing that too often can have a major impact on your livelihood. Imagine this scenario. For example, you buy an item you've been wanting for a long time, but don't have the extra money for. Later, you run into some financial hiccups that require extra funds to resolve. Meanwhile, that surplus cash you had was spent thoughtlessly on something you didn't really need. So now, you're stuck in a bad financial situation with no easy way out. It's important to understand that life is unpredictable. Try to avoid making impulse purchases and prepare yourself for unexpected expenses. Here are 5 tips that can help you in doing that. 1. Get rid of the things that are costing you money. Now is the perfect time to cancel your unneeded memberships and subscriptions. They're not required for survival, so try to slim your budget down to only the necessities. 2. Sell items you may no longer need or use. Start selling your old clothing, unused textbooks, household items, or even art. 3. Try some DIY home projects. Whether it's through trying out new recipes or do-it-yourself projects around the house, you can save money by learning new skills. This can save you money for purchases that are a necessity. 4. Work on your credit score. Credit ratings can determine how much you pay on traditional bank loans, which makes them important to your bottom line because they could affect your monthly budget. 5. Use auto title loans for emergencies. Use your car title as collateral to get as much as $15,000 cash by applying for a title loan. A title loan can help cover emergency expenses that might cause a strain on your budget, leading you to fall behind on other bills. It's easier than you think to live within your means if you're conscious of your budget. When you use title loans appropriately, you can prevent damaging your credit, cover unexpected expenses with ease, and get the fast money you need today.